Zombie apocalypse.
This is a GA Forex. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch spike easily with this my away some strategy. If you look at from this point, we have gotten an entry signal this morning, and we bought the market here, and we hit our TP at this point, almost 60 candles, and that's how we are able to generate this money here. This is the first market, the first TP we took. Today is 1st March, and this one I was just testing something, and this is the this one I used them for the other video because I did it around 1 AM last night, so it's cool. That video I show you how to reduce your lot size, and these are the other two positions we took. So let me tell you something you don't. This is my open position. I need to be closing it because the market has reached a strong resistance that I don't want to play with. Look at it here, strong support that I need to wait before I close this position because I'm only risking 20% of my account. Look at it here, the market is approaching a very strong zone. Look at it here. It's a very strong zone. This point, look at it here. It's a very strong zone. So I was expecting the market to reverse up. So that's when I'll close my account, or I'll close my position. So that was the reason I had these 3 to 4 candles. You see, I'm using these 3 positions as a rescue or supportive trade in order to support my other positions here. And if you look at it very well, that was the reason I captured this spike here. Let me show you. Boom 1000, yeah, boom 1000. Look at it here, boom 1000. Let me show you. Let me use the 1 minute chart. I want to show you how I was able to capture a very long spike with this market with my own strategy and my own trading system. So let's start and see where we can go. This is why I took the market. This is it. This is why I took the market, this entry here. So after I took my entry here and my TP hit this point, let me come. Okay, my TP hit this point. So this point is my TP. So what you need to understand with this market is you are using the same principle you apply when trading the normal boom and crash normal candle strategy, because in the normal candle strategy you wait for these 2 moving averages to cross up each other. That's the blue, the green and the black here. They cross each other. After they cross, then you wait for them to cross this red moving average as well, then you can place your buy. So immediately after this second spike that crossed above this red, I took my position here, and after I took my position, I was able to capture 60 candles, which it means by 60 pips. In this way, you caught a spike that is up to 60 pips, which is a very long position and long spike. So sometimes what you need to understand, the basic aspect of this market is try and understand where you are buying and why you are buying from that point. That's what will help you. So you can use this strategy to capture spikes very, very well. I just backtest on 1000 today. Look at another entry here that we missed. From this point, look at it. From this point, the market has spiked. Since when the market has spiked and this one crossed, and what happened? We wait for this one to cross again. After this one crossed, what happened? The market continued to rally up. You see? So it's just very simple. You see, the market will go up here, up to this point. So when you will exit your market, when you are when you are buying this the spike, when these two cross here, as they cross, this green and black, as they cross facing down, you just exit your market. The same scenario apply to that one. So you can be able to capture a very long sky. Okay, look at this one, look at it here. As from this angle, the market was able to break this previous resistance support, and these two moving averages cross, and the market crossed this red moving average. What happens? The market continue to rally. Look at it, a very long rally. Look at it. Assuming you caught this spike from here, from this point, even if you are using 0.05 up to that level, is something else. So always try and make sure you understand how the market is and how it works. And I prefer using the 1000 index for my strategy. Let me show you this one. See, when this thing cross here, the market continues spiking down. Look at it, what happened? The market continue to come spike down. So you see, it's a very, very good way to take. You see, this another one. In the market cross here, the market continues spike down. So that's how you can be able to capture your scalp. See, from this point as well. Is that entry we took here last night? The market cross here. As I told you earlier, this is where we entered last night, and let me show you what happened with him. You see, we have gotten our confirmation here. Let me show you where it is. I'm trying to show you how we can be able. Let's crash 1000. Yeah. Look at it here. This is where we buy our market after this confirmation. After this one. No, what? Okay, after this one. This is how we get our confirmation here. You see the confirmation here? Here, this is the confirmation. This one. This is the second confirmation. This is the first confirmation. I should say the first. This one may be first, and this one will be second. So this is the market meet at a strong support level. So what happened? We buy our market here, and the market continues going up. But what happened finally? The market continued to spike down because this point we are seeing here, this point, that was a spike that makes these two moving averages cross down. And whenever two moving averages cross down, these two, green and black, it is the first confirmation of my strategy. When they cross this red or blue, is the second confirmation that you can take your buy or sell, and that's how you are able to generate that kind of amount of money with boom and crash. So you can be even using crash 1000, crash 500, any of the fears can be catching your spike with this awesome strategy. Let me show you something here. Okay, look at it here. Immediately after this market cross here for the first time, cross here for the second time, what happened? The market continued to rally, going up. So the market goes very far before it continues to retrace or go in the other direction. This is another. I want to show you another entry that you can use to catch. This is another one. Look at it, very, very excellent entry. When after these two candle moving average is crossed, then they also cross this red, and what happened? The market continued to go up. You see, go up. See, let me show you. Look at it, the market go up. You will not exit your trade till when the market reach here, when they cross down, which is a very long distance from this point. From this point, At this point, we took our trade to this point. It's a very long distance, very, very long. So that's what you should understand. If you know how to catch spike very well with this strategy, I promise you, you can double your account in a very short period of time. Please don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe. For those who are yet to join our BIP group, I'm very sure you are seeing the magic from our BIP group. And remember, we have two options to join BIP group. We have the free option and the one that you pay a service fee. So please just try anyone you think you can and join our BIP as the upper last, because very soon we'll make some changes and update with respect to that. But for now, everything is free for you to join BIP if you want, and you don't want to obey the conditions for joining free BIP. You can just make a payment of just service fee, just little amount that even from our signal. A lot of people make good profit the very first day they subscribe to our signal. So we are giving you signal from our heart, and that's why we are telling you all this. So please, let's check crash 500. We're checking crash 500. See, imagine this one. This is a very, very good entry. You see, the first confirmation is, let me just highlight and explain something for you here. Let me explain 2 points for you here. This is the first condition. The first condition, all the two moving averages here crossed. After they cross, they still cross the red and the blue. All the two conditions are met here. And see the third condition. This Ichimoku and this RSI are at the over what? Overbought level. The market needs to sell and go down. So that's a very, very perfect entry for you to enter your market and capture your spikes as much as you want. So if you find value in this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you do find any value in this video, please kindly dislike this video and tell me how I can be able to do something better next time. Nice to see you, nice to meet you, and see you in my next video. This is AGA Forex. Bye.